my gosh, it's recording. This is our bike ride. We do this every day. It's really hard and tiring. Do you want to watch? Because it's long. Okay. Here, I was about to. Okay. Well, don't follow that idiot. Which I'm doing. And there's a speed bump. This is idiot. Okay. This is my. He said a bad word. He dropped an F-bomb. And this kid over here is lazy. Car behind us. You can't ride a bike. And his legs hurt. Speed bump, so watch. Speed bump. Let's go around. And this idiot we followed took us in a circle, so we're going over the dirt. Okay, hang on. Rocks. Oh, my neck self. Oh, no. Oh. I think my batteries are dying, and this just might turn off any second. That was gross. I need Gatorade. I'm first. I'm going. Jerk. Slow down. Oh, that's what Nicholas. I'm gonna go up this hill. Get ready for this. Oh shit! I couldn't do it. Oh. Go. Go. What? Couldn't do it. No. This is gonna be shooting grandma.
I already flipped it off.
You're on candid camera! What's up, Mexican nose? Your name? Pink was. Hey! Guy with the glasses, he's Asian. Ah. Okay.
I'm going by.
He's going on a red light, look! Like, against the rules!